Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Quick video. As you guys already know, I'm removing the engine on this rx8 automatic engine. It's gonna be engine swap. Swapping that one in there rotary to the same one. But anyways, quick video how to remove the starter on an automatic transmission. First you want to do, lift the car, jack stands. You're gonna go under. You're gonna need an impact or ratchet. You're gonna need a 19mm socket, 17mm socket, 12mm, 13 and 10mm. Okay, first we're gonna remove this. You see this bracket in here, center support in there. So we're gonna remove it. One bolt is different, that's the 19mm, and the other two are 17s. So 19 17s, 19 17s. So remove that one first. Okay, that one is out. The reason why I'm removing this one is because the engine is coming down. But on this case, I'm just showing you how to remove the starter. If your hands, everything fits through there without removing that one, go ahead. I'm just telling you how I'm getting it done. So 19, 17, those are out. This one is there. Now you're gonna go ahead and remove a little 10mm there in here. I don't know if you can see it. It's gonna hold this thing right here. Well, it's already off, but it's a 10mm holding in here with a bit this bracket. So this one is already removed. So what we're gonna do now, it's gonna be a 12mm bolts for the starter. There's one here, one up, one all the way there, and one down there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me see the light. There, boom. I'm trying to fit this. See, that's one. The other one down here. There. So there's one there, one here, and one down here, which is right here. There's gonna be 3 of those. Sorry if the camera was flipping, but yeah. So anyways, remove those 3. Before that, you're gonna uncover this one from, god damn my fingers. You're gonna uncover this plastic from here. Uncover this one right here is this. Let me close this. This cable here, that's the wire signal from your switch. So you're gonna press it on one side. Stupid camera. You're gonna press it one side and unplug this one. Just pull it out. Then go ahead. Open this, and this one right here is gonna be a 13. This one right here is gonna be a 13mm. 13mm, and it's gonna come out. Sorry for the camera flipping. So this is what I use. This is a Milwaukee. It's a 1/4 inch. So what I've done, this one, put them in here, put them in there, boom, and out. That's a 13mm, is how I told you. So now the nut is out. Just pull the cable. Boom, voila. Save the nut. Don't lose it. This cable is out. The other one I told you, for this one right here, all you do pinch it from the beginning, which is the tip right here. This one, pinch it. I pull it out. Now those 12mm and the starter is gonna come out. Now some places it's tight. If you're not able to fit a ratchet, this is what I use. Watch. I'm actually doing a giveaway of this bad boys gear wrench. It goes all the way from 8 to 19. But check it out. Let's try 12. You see, one side is ratchet, the other side is there, and it's long. They fit everywhere. I will be doing a giveaway pretty soon on my Instagram. Make sure you follow and subscribe here and there. 13B_Dorito, 13B as a boy _Dorito. That's my Instagram. It's gonna be a giveaway of this gear wrench, free of shipping and everything, inside of the US. And then another giveaway I'm gonna be doing is a $100 gift card, Visa gift card. So yeah, anyways, if nothing fits, you'll be able to fit this one. Let me show you. Alright, check it out. See the ratchet in there? I'm going with the white angle. Boom. fits in there, in here, and you have a lot of space so you can get them loose. Yes, like that. Once you break them loose, you can use a ratchet. Watch. This set of ratchets are so convenient. I even have a link. I don't think I have a link on the description for so you guys can buy it on Amazon. But just click any of the links I have. So yeah, like how I was saying, it was so convenient. Just fit in there. And boom, look. Just put them in here and get them loose. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. But if you want to buy it, if you don't want to, if you do not want to wait for the giveaway, you can go ahead and purchase it on Amazon. I don't have the link yet, but click on any link I have, and then from there you search for gearbox set of wrenches, like double-sided, and that'll be good. So yeah, I'm gonna remove this bolt, and then I'm gonna go ahead and remove the one on top all the way down there where my finger is, and this one down here. We have to move the lines a little bit. Boom, and it should be we're gonna have space to remove the starter. Let me go ahead and do it. Okay, for the last one, maybe the tricky one, it's gonna be on top. I'm using a ratchet, and then once you fold, and then with the medium socket, and you can fit your hand through here, through the, you know where the motor mount is, between the wheel and stuff. You'll see the bolt in there. That's the ratchet, and you should be able to remove that one. Just like that. Boom. You can even take this off once it's loose. Remove the ratchet. On this one, I do have the link in the description for Amazon. Those ratchets, it's a set. Again, that's a gear wrench. Really good quality. I'm not sponsored by any tool manufacturer, whatever. I purchase all my tools. But anyways, those are really good. It comes with the little one, 1/4. 3/8, 2 3/8, this longer one, little one, and 1/2 inch. So now those bolts are off. The starter is loose. Boom. See? Now we're gonna have to find your way out, and the starter is coming out. Let me try to get it out, and then I explain right now how I'm gonna get it out. Okay, so once the starter is loose, what you're gonna want to do? It's gonna slide it up, and it's gonna come right out right there. Boom. Let me move everything. I'm gonna let it fall because I need 2 hands. Boom. So voila. There's your starter. Sorry for stupid camera, it's flipping. Well, I don't know how to lock it. Anyways, that starter removal. To install it is gonna be the same way. You remove that. The tail goes in first. Bolts, wires, battery from the switch, bolt those down, and boom. Torque specs, don't worry about the torque specs. Go all the way down and give it half a turn. Or if you want to go torque, maybe like 22 to 30 foot-pounds, 22 to 28 foot-pounds, you should good to go. Thanks for watching. That's the removal. Keep up with the engine removal. Thanks for watching.